So I'm searching through eBay the other day and I'm looking for a new GoPro. And of course, I search from price lowest to highest. And when I do that, I notice something, a trend with all the GoPro cameras that are at the lowest price. They're all broken. I cannot believe the amount of broken GoPro cameras that are being sold on eBay. It's just ridiculous. I've owned like 5 or 6 GoPro cameras in my lifetime. I've never smashed the screen or broken one of them because I've done something crucial to all of my GoPro cameras that all of you guys should do to yours. This is my new GoPro Hero 7 Black that I just picked up. And like all my other GoPro cameras, I'm gonna be doing something to this camera today that I do with all the GoPros and quite honestly, all of the electronic products that I own. I'm gonna be putting something on here that's less than $10 and it's gonna protect it for the lifespan of this actual camera. Let's go ahead and get started. It is... What? I know, anti-dramatic, but this is glass screen protectors. These are $10 on Amazon right now, and they're glass screen protectors that protect the front lens piece right here, as well as the back LCD screen. It does come with wipes. It also comes with this little cover right here. This little lens cover is pretty cool. If you actually don't use your GoPro cameras that often, you can put the little lens cover right on your GoPro. I love these things, but most importantly, we've got these screen protectors, which we're gonna put on today. So we've got dust absorbers, we've got wipes, we've got wet wipes, all these different things that we can put on for our screen protector. Let's go ahead and pick this one up. This is the little mini one that we got. This is for the lens piece right here. And whoa, dropping my GoPro before I get it on. No, it's perfect, it's fine. Let's wipe it down. And I don't think I need any of the dust protector things for the lens because it's actually very, very clean. Put that on there, there we go. And we'll just line it up first so that we know where it goes. Perfect, okay, it's perfectly cut, perfectly aligned. And let's go ahead and peel that off on the back right there. And we're just gonna put this right on, right here. And boom, push down. There we go. Okay, we got the lens cap cover on there. And this is a glass screen protector. It's not the plastic ones that you can get. The plastic ones, quite honestly, they don't protect your camera. Let's go ahead and put the back piece on right here. There's your back piece. And we'll wipe it off right here. And let's wet wipe the back. And there we go. Let's go ahead and put the glass piece on here. So we've got this here, we'll just take that off, just like that, and then we'll align it so that and there we go, all on there. You cannot even tell that the screen protector is on there. Completely protects the GoPro and it's completely invisible. The pack that I got, I picked up on Amazon, and it does come with 2 separate sets of screen protectors. So if you have 2 GoPro cameras, you can actually put screen protector on the front and back of both of them. It does come with little wipes, all the dust things, as well as the 2 lens covers. So we'll put the lens cover on the front of this one. There we go. Perfectly protected GoPro. Don't ever travel with your GoPro without protection on there, as well as don't use a GoPro without a glass screen protector on there. I don't want to see any more broken screen GoPros on eBay. I'm not going to be buying them. I don't want a broken screen GoPro. So protect your GoPro, put a glass screen protector on the front and the back of it, and you are covered. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.